Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating gadget that's making waves in the market, the Rabbit R1. This sleek, pocket-sized device is designed to be your new best friend. The Rabbit R1 is an AI-powered device that aims to enhance your everyday communication. It's a personal assistant, a translator, and a pocket-sized companion all wrapped up in one sleek package. One of the standout features of the R1 is its conversational interface and 360-degree rotational eye. This means you can easily converse with it and have it face you no matter where you are. Plus, it comes with a push-to-talk button, making it even more convenient to use. Now, let's talk about the nitty-gritty, the tech specs, and weighs just 115 need dry. And when it comes to battery life and charging capabilities, this little guy can last you for up to 80%. It's packed with a built-in speaker and a touchscreen display for added convenience and style. Under the hood, this petite pocket companion has some serious power with its MediaTek MT6765 octa-core Helio P35 processor running at 2.3 GHz and a speedy MediaTek MT8789 processor at 2 GHz for seamless performance. The Rabbit R1 also boasts impressive storage space with 4 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage for all your media needs. Charging is hassle-free via its USB-C port, giving you more flexible charging options on the go. So there you have it, the Rabbit R1, your new pocket companion that's set to revolutionize how we communicate in today's world. If you're keen on learning more about this gadget or want to see it in action, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.